Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so glad to have each and every one of you guys. And today's video, I'm just going to show off a few things that I have made and a few little shopping items, I guess you could say. Well, technically, I guess one came in the mail. So whichever way you want to look at that. But I am so excited just to do some crochet talk with you guys. I have been very busy. What I've been up to is I've had a lot of patterns that I've had to, well, not have to, but I like to. A lot of patterns that I've been designing for some magazines, and so I've been trying to work on getting those out as well as do my other items that I have going. And so I guess I'll start with I did finish for my sister the plastic canvas coasters. I have not made the box yet, but when I get the box made, it's going to be just as cute. But look, here's her coasters. These are the colors that she wanted. It was the red and the black. But aren't they pretty? Those were the designs out of the book that she picked. And on the back side, see, I make them like that, where it's plastic canvas on this side. So I take two plastic canvases together. And when I do the border, that's how I sew them together. That way, this lays nice and flat and you can put your drink on it. These are very popular in my household. My mom and dad, I've made some chevron designs, and they have them all over their house. And you can open up just about any drawer and there's a coaster sitting in there waiting for someone to use. So yeah, those are real popular in our house. Okay, the other thing is I made some slipper socks, and here they are. And I just used some yarn from Walmart. Let's see, some Red Heart. I could show you the yarn, but I don't have any bands. So I lost the band like a long time ago. And I have two skeins of this, and neither one of them has a band on it. But it is Red Heart. And there it is. It's a slipper sock. So I'm really tickled over it. So I did finish that one. And okay, the other one is, you guys know I have a tutorial coming, and it will be this week. I used the Premier. Let's see, this is a L hook. Yeah, the 8.0 L hook. I'm using the Premier puzzle. And this was supposed to be yarn that goes to my blanket that I'm making myself. So that means I'm going to have to buy another 2 skeins of this. The cowl only took 1 skein, but I want to make a hat with it. Maybe. I'm thinking about it. And if I do, I'll have to get into another skein, because the cowl took exactly 1 skein, and this is what I had left. Not much, but that was it. And it's called Riddle. There you go. And someone wrote or left a comment saying that they thought that this would go really good with jeans. And yes, I agree. I thought the same thing. But here it is. Yeah. This will be my first bulky cowl to create. So I will try to put it on with this outfit that I got on. So yeah, it's bulky. There we go. I do love this. This is going to be so nice this winter. And I was really hoping that I could wear it like if I was out and I wanted it to go over my head like that I could still do this. Look at that, guys. And there's still room back here, see? Yeah. So I'm really tickled over it. Yeah. So I look forward to doing this tutorial this week. I hope you guys are too. And if you plan on making it, just buy you some 5 bulky weight yarn. But that's what that is, yeah. It says it's 5 bulky. And I use Premier Puzzle in Riddle is the color of it. And this is 100% acrylic, and so that you can be ready for the tutorial if you're interested in it. It takes 328 yards of 5 bulky. So you don't have to have this yarn to make this. You can use any kind of 5 bulky you want. Just you'll need at least 328 yards of it to make it. And let's see, what was I, oh yeah, on the tutorial, because I don't want to open up another one of these to do a sample on, I am going to use this Barcelona, and I believe, yeah, it's by Loops and Threads. So I got this at Michael's, and it's a 5 bulky. There's 328 yards in this one. So I'm going to use this one for my tutorial, the pink one. So I will probably go ahead and make, I don't know, I think I'll probably just do a swatch size, but then I'd like to go back and actually make me one in this pink. That way I'll have a blue one and a pink one. So yeah, so that's what I'm saying, that you could use any size, I mean, any, it doesn't have to be Premier, so you can use any brand as long as it's 5 bulky and you got at least 328 yards, because this is exactly what I had left. So, yeah. Okay, so the other thing is that I bought, and I've been wanting one for a long time, and I had to wait till they go on sale. Well, actually, I didn't get their sale price. I was waiting for a 50% off coupon before I spent my money. But I finally got my anniversary cake. There we go. And look at these colors. I just think it's beautiful. Finally got mine after seeing everybody else's. Finally got mine, but I waited, I was patient, and I got that coupon, a 50% off coupon. And I just had it so that I wouldn't go in the store and be tempted to buy other stuff. I just had the curbside delivery, pickup, rather, is what I did. So, yeah, when I got out of church, I just went by there and clicked the little button that said, I'm here. And they just brought it out to me. And then I just went on my way. So it was that easy. And I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. There's a free pattern on this right here. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so some info on this. If you're interested in buying an anniversary cake, it's Caron. I'm waiting for another 50% off because I want to buy another one of these. I want one of each color, if I could possibly get one of each color. According to, you know, every time I get a 50% off coupon, I'm going to try and buy me one of them. Okay, it says this is a 6 super bulky. It's called Blueberry Bash is the color, 100% acrylic. There's 1,061 yards in there. So with tax, I paid like $19, I think, for it. Yeah, that's with the 50% off and then the sales tax added in it. Yeah, so about $19 is what I paid for mine. Okay, so the other thing is I am doing another tutorial. I don't know if, depending on when I get it made, but I am making another one and I've got it waiting. It is for a tube sock, a nice wintry looking slipper sock actually. And this is got the baubles in it. That's what it is. It's got the baubles and then it has the ridge up here, which I like. The reason I added that to the top is because I don't know if you're like me, if you add, I find that when you add this, it kind of makes your hat or whatever it is that you're making it to go on, it kind of holds it together tighter. So not that this was big or anything, but it's just like, it kind of helps keep it on your leg and from sliding down. And, you know, I do most all my hats that way too, just so the hat will stay in its place. I don't know if you guys do the same thing. But anyway, this tutorial will be coming this week. And I used just some Walmart cream colored yarn. And I'm using my Never Enough that I got from Michael's. And this is color is gold. So I'm just using these two colors together and then making this. Now this is a size 5. a size 6 foot. Well, it can actually fit a 4, 5, and 6. And in the tutorial, I will show you how to make, let's see, it's a kid 12, oh gosh, is it a 12 through 3, and then an adult 4, 5, 6, and then a 7, 8, 9, and then a 10, 11, and 12. I think that's all the sizes that I've got in it. But yeah, so look for this tutorial too if you're interested in wearing one of these. They're really, really warm. So this is definitely a nice little winter. See? So, little slipper sock. Okay, the other thing is, I hope you guys are enjoying this because I had a lot to show off. And I will have a Whip Caddy video this week because my Whip Caddy has a lot of projects in it that are almost done. And so I want to show those off to you guys too. I just don't want everything to be all in the same video. But I did get an Annie's kit in. This was one of them that I was going to try. And it's called the Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. And, well, I'm not going to open it right now, but here it is. See if I can get this close enough so you can see. That's what we'll be making in this kit. And then see the back side. You have all that right there. And let's see. Okay, so if I can get it from sliding down, it looks like some paint. There's a paintbrush. There's the wood pieces right here. And there's the, what do you call that? That burlap. So you guys know what I'm talking about, don't you? Anyway, so yeah, that's the Creative Woman's Kit for the month of October. Yeah, I think this was October's. I guess, I don't know. But that's the one they gave me. So, for my first month of it. It said it's reversible door tags. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's Merry Christmas and a truck thing on the back side. So you have this and then you can switch it to that. Interesting. I did not catch that the first go around. Huh. Okay, I see it now. There's the Christmas one and then there's your fall one. Nice. I like that. So that was what I have in there. Let's see. The other thing that, excuse me while I dig. The other thing that I haven't started yet is I'm still wanting to make something out of this. And I was thinking I had one marked, but I just can't get over that. Isn't that adorable? I mean, I just love this book. You guys know I just got this last week. And it's like, there is so much stuff I want to make out of here. Yeah. That's the one right there. I still want to make that right there. So, yeah, but I got to find the time. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready for the 365 Days of Prayer. You can buy this book from Amazon or Barnes & Noble. I'm not sure what other stores sell it. But it starts off, let's see, it's called The Mirror. If anyone is in Christ, there is a new creation. Everything old has passed away. See, everything has become new. 2 Corinthians 5:17. Lord, you make all things new. The moment I chose to love you, you began a transforming work in me. You washed me clean. Years of sin, guilt, regret, and grime, gone. It's more than I can grasp, this new self. As incredible as it is, I believe I am forgiven. But new? Changed? I don't know. Help me understand that the old self, the one that needed defense, regrets, grudges, and contention, is truly gone. Bring me to your mirror, Father, and linger with me until I comprehend that this loving, joyful, gracious, peaceful person is me. I have become new. This is how do you see yourself in God's mirror. Okay, that is all I have in this video. Be sure and look for the 2 tutorials I have coming up. And be sure, oh, and I have done Darla's Crochet Along. I'll be posting that one. And then I have my whipped caddy video, and be sure to go to my Facebook group page and post your caddies if you haven't yet to be in this upcoming video. And yeah, just keep being yourself, keep learning new things, keep crocheting, stepping out of your comfort zone, and there's nothing you can't do if you just get out there and try it. So I hope this video has inspired you guys, gave you ideas of things to do, and hopefully let you know that you can do this. You got this. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.